Dunlap, the CEO of Ceres Nanosciences. Ceres is a biotechnology company. We're focused on creating powerful diagnostic tests using our proprietary nanotechnology, which we call the Nanotrap. So we've established a very strong reputation for this Nanotrap technology in the industry. We've released several products already and have many more in development, as this is a platform technology. The technology itself has an incredible pedigree behind it. The product development has and continues to be funded by non-dilutive strategic funding partners like DARPA within the DoD. That's the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, part of the DoD, the NIH, the Department of Homeland Security. We've been funded by foundations like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and industry partners like Thermo Fisher Scientific. Also, we have many collaborations with leading research institutions and dozens of scientific publications documenting our technology. Everything that we develop and produce, we publish and we make available for scientific validation. We can do this because we have very strong intellectual property behind our technology. We have 12 issued patents worldwide that cover the core Nanotrap technology. So we've been growing steadily, validating, developing, commercializing this technology, and now we're releasing to the market some very exciting products that I'm going to tell you about. One which has already been mentioned is a test for Lyme disease, which is going to change the way that we treat Lyme and understand the disease. The Nanotrap technology is a particle that it can concentrate and clean up and preserve the most valuable biomarkers in any sample type, and it makes it available for routine diagnosis, leading to much better patient outcomes. So we can take what was performed in blood, we can now do it in urine and saliva. We can extract biomarkers that no other test could detect. We're able to detect diseases in earlier stages and enable entirely new classes of testing platforms. Obviously, the test has so many different applications, not just for those patients who are suffering, but early stage, people who get an initial bite determining if they have it, if they've recovered from it after therapy. We believe it's going to become the gold standard for Lyme testing. And our next step is to really develop an FDA-approved version of this. We're talking to the biggest lab companies like LabCorp about licensing it. We're working with the leaders, the opinion leaders in industry and government to get this test as the accepted standard of care for testing. So this is a really good example of how our technology is changing the way diagnostics is done. We know that we have a really exciting game-changing technology. It has a lot of appeal across the life sciences industry, in particular for diagnostics.